higher order components. A higher order component is a function that takes a component and returns a new component. It's a pattern used in React to reuse logic between components without repeating code or changing the original components. So instead of copying the same logic into multiple components, we create one wrapper that adds functionality and reuse it wherever we need. Let's see it in action. Go ahead and create a file in your SRC folder called withCounter.js. Here's our higher order component. Import React, use state from React. Function withCounter, wrapped component, return function enhanced component props. Const count set count equals use state 0. Const increment equals set count prev plus 1. Return wrapped component count increment props. Export default withCounter. Let's break this down. We have a function withCounter that accepts a wrapped component. Inside, it manages count state and an increment function. Then it returns the original wrapped component, passing count, increment, and any other props it receives. That's our reusable logic in one place. Now, let's use it. In your SRC components folder, create a new file called ClickCounter.js. Import React from React. Import withCounter from /withCounter. Function ClickCounter count increment. Return button on click count times button. Export default withCounter ClickCounter. And now another one, HoverCounter.js. Import React from React. Import withCounter from /withCounter. Function HoverCounter count increment. Return H2 on mouse over hovered count times. Export default withCounter HoverCounter. Both components, ClickCounter and HoverCounter, are wrapped with withCounter. They both get the same counting logic without writing it twice. Now open your app.js and update it like this. JSX import React from React. Import ClickCounter from /components/ClickCounter. Import HoverCounter from /components HoverCounter. Function app, return div style padding 40px. Welcome to Code with Me, HoverCounter, export default app. Save the file and open your browser at h//localhost-3000. Now try clicking the button and hovering the text. Boom, both work perfectly, and the logic is reused. This is the beauty of higher order components. They let us share stateful logic between components in a clean, reusable way. A few things to note. The wrapped component receives the enhanced props, plus anything else we pass manually. HOCs don't modify the original component, they wrap it. They're great for adding behavior, like authentication, counters, logging, themes, and more. You're watching Code with Me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding!